Hello students, I am Sister Mary here. Welcome to 10th Maths NCERT Chapter 1 Real Numbers. Today we will study exercise 1.1 question 5. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Now let's see step by step. Use Euclid's division lemma. So write it down, Euclid's division lemma. Now using that, we have to show that the cube of any positive integer. So let a be any positive integer. So the cube of any positive integer. Cube of any positive integer meaning if let a be a cube of any positive integer, then a cube equal to whatever you are getting. The answer, we have to write it in the form of either 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. This question is exactly question 4. Only the thing, in question 4, we square them up. Here we cube them up. That's it. That's the only difference. So let's begin. We know that the divisor that is given here is 9. So b is 9. So if b is equal to 9, if we take the possible remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it becomes a lengthy calculation. So instead of we take a b as 9, we will take the multiple of the 9. So let b be 3. So 3 is a multiple of 9. We can take 9, but then it becomes a lengthy calculation. So we'll take it 3. Then what are the possible remainders we have? We have 0, 1 and 2 because it has to be remainder has to be less than the divisor. Therefore, we can have R as either 0 or 1 or 2. Now the calculation is much shorter for us. So let's begin now. Let a be any positive integer. Therefore, we'll take as if, let's see, if r equal to 0, then what we will get? A equal to, our b is what? 3 cube plus 0 will become, because r is 0. So now what? The cube of any positive integers. That means we have to cube them. So cubing both sides, we will get a cube equal to 3 cube. So now when you solve it, you'll get 27 cube. Now what we have to do? Now the cube of any positive integer, we have to write it in the form of either 9m or either of these. So we can write now in the form of 9 we have to write. So 9 will take it as common and then we'll have 3. So if you consider 3 cube raised to cube as m, we will have 9m. So we have got it in the form of 9m. Now let's take now if r equal to 1. Okay, if r, we take it as 1, we will have a equal to 3 cube plus 1. Now what we have to do? The positive integer we have to cube them. So cubing both sides, what we'll get? Can you see it is in the form of a plus b whole cube? So what is that expansion that you have learned? A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So now just we have to put it in this expansion form. So we'll get a cube. So 3q plus now b cube. So b is here 1. 3, then a square. A square is here 3q square. Then b is 1. Then you have plus. Then again 3. Then a is what? 3q. B is 1 square. So what will get? 27 plus here will be 1. Then we'll get 3 2s are 3 square, and 9 into 3s are, we'll get 27 q square plus 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are, so 3 3s are 9 q's 9q. Now let's arrange them in the degree order. So 27 q, then you have 27 q square plus 9 q plus 1. Now we have finished cubing them. Next procedure is, after cubing them, we have to write in the form of either of this form. So since it is a multiples of 9, so we'll take it out the 9 common, and then we'll write down. So now the whole thing, if we consider as m, then we'll have 9m plus 1. So we got it in the desired form. Now one more left. If remainder is equal to 2, then a equal to 3q plus 2. So cubing them, both sides, will get this form. So again it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. So we have to write it in the expansion form. So when we write it in the expansion form, this is the answer we get. Now let us rearrange them. 27 plus 54q square plus 36q plus 8. Now again we have to bring it to the desired form that is asked of us. So these are multiples of 9. So let's take it 9 as common. Then we'll get 3q plus 6q square plus 4q plus 8. Now the whole thing if we consider as m, then we'll get 9m plus 8. So we have written in the form of the desired form that is asked of us in the question, that is either 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. Just have a look, students. So first we got it 9m form, then in 9m plus 1, nothing to do, just whatever the remainder we get and cube them, and after you cubing them, we have to just write it in the desired form. And the same way here also. So the other integers we consider as a m, so we get 9m plus 8. That's it. Hope you have understood. Thank you and God bless you.